How much MATIC do you need to become a millionaire next bull run? Today I'm doing some three-dimensional math to find out what it's going to take to get that $1 million bag of Polygon. And that's not my nipple I'm pointing at. Let's get it. Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, my name is Ben. In this video, I'm gonna break down how you can turn some Polygon into a big fat bag of cash. When looking at a project like Polygon, price action may look odd. It has similar price movement and all-time highs close to Cardano. They both spent time below $1 during bear markets and their all-time highs are very close to $3 each. But the difference between these two come down to two main factors: tokenomics and use case. Cardano is a powerhouse and will make people millionaires next bull run. In fact, I did a video about that you can find by clicking here, or maybe here, somewhere up there. But Polygon is in a different position. In my opinion, it's got a better shot at melting faces in the bull run. Here's why. Tokenomics for Polygon are better than that of Cardano's. Polygon has a lower supply cap, 10 billion, compared to Cardano's max supply of 45 billion ADA. This means that the supply of Polygon is more scarce than ADA by a long shot. This is an important metric to watch out for when putting together your portfolio. Too many high supply coins with market caps over $10 billion means your portfolio has less powder in its keg. The all-time high for Polygon is just over $3. That happened 2 days after Christmas on December 27th, 2021. Polygon quickly settled into a range between 90 cents and $1.15. It's a much higher floor than what Cardano has seen. It means that accumulating Polygon requires more capital. If at the peak of the next bull run, MATIC returns to its all-time high of $3, becoming a MATIC millionaire would require a big chunk of money, about $300,000. Kind of a bummer, to be honest, but don't worry, the moon math for Polygon goes geometric as other bull run scenarios play themselves out. Because Polygon and Ethereum Layer 2 has some of the best business development in the blockchain space, Polygon's going to see farther and faster adoption than most other projects in crypto. So as Ethereum rises, so will Polygon, and it may do its own flipping of ETH. The use case of Polygon is different than Cardano and other projects in that you use the token in conjunction with Ethereum or natively on networks that run on Polygon. This dual usage makes Polygon a little more scarce and a little more dynamic than other projects. This combined with its new integration with Google Cloud makes the fundamentals of Polygon very compelling. Before we get any further though, I need to let you know that I hold Polygon, but I've never accepted any money from any Polygon business, and the information in this video is simply my thoughts on the project. Basically, we've got no ties to Polygon. I put my money where my mouth is, of course. Looking at the Polygon fundamentals, it's realistic to expect the price can smash through $3 as the next bull run starts to go parabolic. As Bitcoin skyrockets past $1 trillion market cap, altcoins like Polygon will be waiting in the wings to pop off. Polygon going to a $100 billion market cap, well, isn't that far off. In that scenario, the MATIC token would be worth $10. You'd only need 100,000 MATIC to be a millionaire. Make sure to go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel to get more crypto news, research, altcoin picks, and of course, bull run mania predictions. Everyone wants the top. How many X's can you get? But let's say things get mathematical for Polygon, and it's able to triple up and break into the $200 billion market cap. Now we're talking about a $20 MATIC, which will give you a cool million green rectangles if you held 50,000 MATIC tokens. Don't forget to add a few more sides to the shape of your portfolio by staking your MATIC. Polygon offers APY of 4.7%, which grows your bag ahead of the inflation of the token. This is an important thing to keep in mind for most altcoins don't get burned by inflation. Token will still be minted during the next bull run, so it's important to stay ahead of that by staking on the network. Don't be a square, stake your Polygon. Doing well in any financial situation requires you to organize your portfolio in a way that sets you up for success. Decide how your investments can help you achieve your goals. Start building a portfolio that will allow you the financial freedom to do what you want to do with your life. And a token like Polygon can help you do just that. But it's only a multi-sided piece to your financial puzzle. And don't forget to subscribe to the BitBoy channel because it's that last corner piece that you can't find. But here I am. That's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.